Hello, I'm Nora. Welcome to Ningbo ONEREEL. Today I will introduce this product, Empty 3D Printing Spool. It is made of high-grade PLA PC, ABS or HIPS. These materials are lightweight, high toughness and strength. Can be used over and over again. Transparent appearance can monitor the usage of remaining filament in real time. They are label space, filament fastening holes and small channels on the inner surface to stop your filament from sliding on the spool. High temperature resistance and large hollow structure makes 3D printing filament dried faster. The smooth surface won't hurt your wire. The hollow process spool can keep your thread together and prevent knotting, which is very suitable for the use of complex knitting technology. The hole in the middle is convenient for fixing to improve work efficiency. It fits any 3D printer, including MakerBoard, FlashForge, Prusa, and any other that does not require a cartridge. It is widely used for welding wires, cable, decorative chain, parachute, rope, coil, or cord. And it comes in many different styles and types and sizes. You can search the information in our website.